how to make these three fans sync together, so we can connect it to this 3-pin 5-volt RGB control. Turn this around. So what we need to do is connect these three RGBs together, and there's a female and a male connectors. So if we take this cap off, like so, it's gonna be a male here, and what we need is to connect a female in the end at the 3-pin 5-volt connector on the motherboard. So let me just set up the camera. Let's say we use this to connect to the motherboard. Take a male, two female here, connect these two. And then we take the last one here and connect these two together. Just like that. You're gonna be left with a male. I'm gonna cover that one up because we're not gonna use that. And then we need this female adapter into the motherboard. I'm gonna push it through here, spin this around, and here it is. And connect this into the 3-pin here. Just like so, and now you can control the RGB from your motherboard. All these synced into one. Now that all the three fans are connected into one RGB header, we're able to control the colors from the PC. I downloaded the signal RGB, and now there we go. Let's try. Yes, and that's it.